In this video, I'm going to show you the difference between a hard shell landing pad and a soft shell landing pad. Which one do you prefer and why? Tell me in the comments below. Let's get started. Let's start with the hard landing pad. Now, a pro that I really like and appreciate about this pad is that although it's a hard surface, it's not that heavy. It's also collapsible and foldable, which makes it easy to take wherever you want to go. And it's stable all on its own. Now, you can anchor it down. There are 4 eyelets on here and they're metal, which makes it really nice, but it's not necessary. It's heavy enough on its own. And it's also 2-sided. You've got a blue side and a orange side, which makes it easy to see wherever you're at. Now, there are some cons to the hard landing pad. It is definitely not as easy to store and carry as the soft. It's heavier than the fabric style. The surface can also get damaged. I've got some rock indentations and some fabric peeling. Let's talk about the soft landing pad. Some of the pros that I really like about this landing pad is that it is extremely lightweight. It's also collapsible and easy to store and take wherever you want to go. And the metal frame is really strong and sturdy. You can also anchor this landing pad to the ground, which will help with stability. It also is 2-sided. It is orange on one side and blue on the other, which makes it really easy to see up in the sky. And it is waterproof and easy to keep clean as well. Now let's go over the cons of the soft landing pad. It can and will blow away on you in the wind. So I recommend with the soft landing pad, you always anchor it. Even if there's no wind outside, believe it or not, your drone can blow the landing pad away in some situations. I just wouldn't risk it. Now also, this is a fabric landing pad, so it can and will, over time, tear. Once it tears, this landing pad is done. With the soft landing pad, it is not a truly flat surface. Now, visibility as well as secure landing surfaces is the purpose of having a landing pad. You're not going to get that 100% of the time with the soft landing pad. To get the best out of this landing pad, you need a flat, hard surface, and that's not always ideal or available. So everything is about preference at the end of the day. Between the hard landing pad and the soft landing pad, my preference is definitely the hard landing pad. It does everything the soft one does and more. With a hard landing pad, you will always have that great surface to take off from and to land safely. I hope that what I shared with you today was helpful. If you have any questions or ideas for future videos that you would like to see or would just like to share your thoughts, please leave them in the comments down below.